Hello, good evening everyone. How are you? So this is Kriti and I'm sorry I could not do a live for a couple of days, but I just wanted to talk about the the our last video, which was about um, actualizing whatever you're asking for. That is what we spoke about. So how many of you did this exercise? Let me know. Okay, so right, so this is what I just wanted to talk about this even more. So um, apart from writing your magic moments, whatever has showed up in your life magically all of a sudden, like you just asked for it and then you didn't bother thinking about it, and then it just showed up in your life and you replicate that energy basically. So that is how you kind of um, invite that energy into your life. And apart from that, if you're asking for something else also, so what I do is, I write down my few asks of mine, like for say if this is October 2020, so my ask for October 2020, so I write some five asks for every month, and then I ask the universe to deliver me that. So universe, show me this gift. Can I have my gift, please? So basically I just keep on asking questions. Universe, what would it take for me to have this with total ease? So basically, you just put your intention down on a pen, on a piece of paper, and then you kind of give it to the universe and say, "This is my ask, and can I have this now?" And then it's best if you forget about it, although it's very difficult sometimes. But if you're too much vested in the, how it shows up and how will it look like, so let me tell you, it comes in totally different ways. It never looks like the way um, the way you think it will look like. So I'll just give you an example. What happened, last year? I had to move to my new home, and I was running short of money, a lot short of money, because we were getting our home done and everything. So I was asking the universe, that universe, what else is possible? Show me more money. I require this for my home, and I don't need to tell the reason, but I was asking for basically more funds and all. So what happened is that I had just I had just put my son into a new school. So they were supposed to charge me for the entire, like in India, it's the session starts from April. So April, May, June, they were supposed to charge me like that, and I had already deposited the fees. So but what occurred, because I was asking these questions, that I require this much amount because I need to shift, and I need to, I need to furnish my home and everything. So what happened, because we were supposed to shift to the new place, and my son would like go to school from August onwards. So rather than charging me for the entire April, May, June, school fees, the school waived all those 3 months of fees, and I was charged July onwards. So this is how it shows up. I never even thought that this is what this it could happen in this way also. So basically, you just ask, and then it depends upon the universe how it shows up. So it's never how you think it will show up. So this is one small magic moment I would like to share with you. This was totally magical, totally unexpected, and I got some, 30 grands just like that. So, you know what? You can just write these small magic moments, ask them to replicate. And secondly, write down all your, your ask for every month. You can do it more frequently also. If suppose your asks have been actualized already, so you can ask, write more, keep asking. You know what? If you when you are in that energy of receiving and um, asking questions and then being open to receiving, and you get into that mode, the universe acknowledges you and it says, okay, so this, she is now asking, or he is now asking for this and is ready to receive. So it kind of brings, you get into that tempo, I would say, in common terms. So guys, that's all I wanted to share today, and I hope you like this. If you like it, say, just give me a like or write anything. And there are various ways in which you can, kind of clear all the obstacles which are in the ways of your asks, and in various ways in which you can, add more energy to it and give it more power. So these are various ways in which, if you go ahead in this journey, you will learn it, and life becomes fun. So guys, if you're watching this live, Mohit is there. Mohit, hi, how are you? Thank you for being there on the live, and everyone who watches this as a replay, please mention replay in the comment section. You can please contact me also if you have any questions, you want some more details, or you want to go further into it. You can just message me on the messenger, Facebook messenger, or the comments. So thank you for watching, thank you for watching the replays, and thank you for liking this. What else is possible, guys? Have a nice day. Bye bye.